What's up, guys? Happy Monday. A little different on how we're doing this intro here. I am actually filming this from the hospital here. We're here with, excuse me, Brittney. She had something come up, so she went to the doctor. They sent her to the ER. ER sent us up to floor, and now we'll be spending the night here until hopefully tomorrow, probably tomorrow, after surgery. So uh, that's where I'm at. And this video today actually wasn't recorded by me. This was recorded by Jake. And thank you very much, Jake, for getting something. This isn't going to be a super long video. It's not a super detailed video. I don't know. You guys have seen a few of the videos Jake's in. He's not much of a talker. Um, but I really appreciate what he did here. And I'll kind of go and overview a little bit. He didn't really do that with his RB20. Jake has an 89 Nissan 240 with a Series 1 RB20DET. Um, it was kind of a backyard swap. A lot of stuff teed into a lot of stuff. Off the turbo actuator came up about 3 inches and it was teed into. That tee went to the blow-off valve. And then the other side of the tee went up into was another 6 inches long. Then it teed off into the boost gauge, and then it went to the back of the intake manifold. We kind of looked stuff over before all of this, and it made the most sense. There was an open vacuum port on the throttle body underneath of it. For those of you, he didn't really go into detail about it, but for those of you look, if you're looking from the driver's side at the throttle body, it's on the bottom right-hand side, right there. That's where we ran the blow-off valve to, and the boost controller we used some 1/4-inch fuel line, same thing I used. It takes a whole lot more heat, a whole lot more pressure. So we ran that from the wastegate to the side of the boost controller. And again, this is the boost controller that I kind of hacked up to make work off eBay. I stole a fitting off it to fix mine, and I kind of wanted to do something to help Jake out, um, up the boost on his. But so then he ran it to the boost controller. Again, the side port goes to the actuator. The bottom, which is what we fixed on this one, goes to the throttle or the intake manifold. We haven't done anything yet. Jake just hooked it up. We plan on, if we can get out of the hospital to what would be now Monday night, tomorrow night, for me, tonight, for you guys watching this. We'll tune that, kind of just the fuel pressure and stuff with that. Just before we got into the boost controller stage, we did go through his fuel and get it right. It was running very, very rich. So we fixed that, turned his fuel way down, got him where he's supposed to be at. So tomorrow, we'll turn the boost up. Again, if you watch my first SR one, you'll want to start with it all the way open, start at factory boost, and then slowly do a one turn at a time until you get where you're going to want to be. Now this is a factory RB20 ceramic turbo. It will melt. It's going to melt. We understand it's going to melt. We're not bothered by it. We've got an RB25 turbo on hold for when this does go. We don't know if we're going to put the RB20 turbo or a 25 turbo in, or sell the 25 and buy a ceramic wheel style turbo, eBay turbo, something like that, to put in. But we want to do that. We want to up the injectors from the factory, I think the 270 RB20 turbos to some GTR 444s. But we plan on turning the boost up so it spikes at somewhere around 15, but settles at the 12 to 13 mark. Did a lot of research. It seems like 14 psi is the halfway safety point, I guess to say. But we're going to run it on the edge. Hope to get some harder RB20 pulls out of it. anyways, like I said, thank you very much, Jake, for filming something for today. I'm here with Brittney, eating her pudding. But everybody go ahead and wish Brittney good luck on her surgery. Hopefully we're out of surgery by the time you guys are watching this. Um, she's going to get really mad at me for recording that. After I'm done with this, she's going to chew my butt. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. And let's see how Jake did the RB20 swap.
Alright, here we are looking at the RB20 coupe. Going to clean up some vacuum lines for boost controller that I'm adding. So I'll probably come in and out of the video just when I get to certain places, just to show my progress. So go ahead and start trying to get this thing put in. Alright, so here's a little, I guess, overview of how I have my lines ran to have the manual boost controller. So go off the wastegate, run a hose up to the controller, over to my T for my boost gauge, and then into the intake. For the blow-off valve, ran a line from the blow-off valve to an open port that I had on the lower side of the throttle body. So I'm gonna try to run this, I guess, to see what happens. I kind of eliminated one T out of what I had before, just trying to clean up things. So I guess that's a little quick install of a boost controller on an RB20.
Alright, so there it was, real short video. I was kind of watching that as you guys were. Jake, I love you. I really do. But, anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for bearing with this video, a lot different. You know, just keep Britt in your thoughts. Hopefully by the time this is releasing, her surgery's over and everything went well. So, till next time, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Keep on sliding.